If you've been searching for earwax removal lately, chances are you've come across one big question: should you choose microsuction or syringing? It's one of the most searched ear health topics right now, especially as more people look for safer and more comfortable ways to deal with blocked ears, muffled hearing, or that frustrating underwater sensation. The truth is, there's no one size fits all answer. Microsuction is a method that uses gentle suction and specialized equipment to carefully remove earwax under direct visual guidance. Many people prefer it because it's typically quick and doesn't require water inside the ear. Syringing, on the other hand, may still be suitable in some situations depending on the type of wax, ear health history, and what an audiologist recommends. What's important is avoiding DIY methods that could make things worse. Cotton buds, ear candles, and random online hacks can sometimes push wax deeper or irritate the ear canal. Adhering first Surbiton, our audiologists assess your ears first to determine whether earwax is actually causing your symptoms and which removal method may be most appropriate for you. Sometimes hearing problems aren't wax related at all, which is why a professional assessment can save time and discomfort in the long run.